Welcome to DAB Pumps. Today, we're going to see how to use the DNA Pump Selector program on the dabpumps.us website to select a pump for a commercial application. First, you navigate to the dabpumps.us website in your browser. You then scroll down to the bottom of the web page, and under Technical, the third selection down is Pump Selection Software DNA. We're going to select that. Next, we want to choose the country we're in. We're in the United States, so we're going to choose United States. But you can also create a user login here so that you don't have to do this in the future. First thing we're going to do is change our units of measure, and we can do that by clicking on the units of measure button up at the top, and as we're in the United States, we're going to select US units, and then click OK. Next, this is the information that we have. This is a commercial application, and a new 6-story hotel is being built in Smithfield, North Carolina. The hotel has 100 rooms, and they want 40 psi on the 6th floor. The calculated water use for the hotel is a max of 100 gallons per minute, and the incoming pressure is 35 psi. How do we determine which pump to use using DNA? Well, what information do we have? We know that they have incoming pressure because that's stated. We also know that the incoming pressure is not enough to provide the pressure that they want at the top floor, which is why they're looking for a booster pump. So, to determine the pressure you need to produce from the pump or pump set, you have to determine the pressure you need, including the feet of head to the top of the 6th floor. You do this the same way you can do in a residential building. 6 floors is 60 feet, which comes out to 26 psi. 60 divided by 2.31 converts feet of head into psi, which comes out to 26. Add that to the desired pressure at the top floor, which is 40 psi, and that comes out to 66 psi. Then we subtract the incoming pressure of 35 psi, which gives our final needed pressure that we need to produce at 100 gallons per minute of flow, 31 psi or 72 feet of head. So we're going to go to hydraulic selection and click on that. We know this is probably going to need more than one pump, so we're going to go to booster sets and select that here. We're then going to click on the series button and unselect all the pumps that we don't want. So we know that this is probably going to be an EasyBox Max, so we're going to select EasyBox Max. And then we're going to go here to operating data and put in our information. So we know we need 100 gallons per minute of flow, and the pump pressure we need is going to be 31 psi. We click next. And then this will provide us a number of different pumps that will provide this duty. However, the hydraulic selector will always choose the most efficient option. The most efficient option may not be the least amount of pumps, nor what may it be the amount of the pumps that you want to use. So, as we can see below, this can be done by 2 EasyBox Max 45-120 pumps. If we look here, this is under the curve, so this will provide what we need. However, because 3-phase is more efficient, it always comes in 3-phase from the start. So you want to go to hydraulic selection and duty chart and change it to single phase, as single phase is the kind of power that this place has. And that's it. That's how we select our program. You can go to Data Sheets, and then this will provide you with a data sheet and a curve showing the pump doing exactly what you need. You can right-click on this and print to a PDF in your browser software, and then that will create a PDF that will allow you to email it to your customer. That's it. Thank you for watching.